Nature's melody. In the meadow, animals play, making sounds throughout the day. The cow says moo with a gentle sound, while the sheep says baa all around. The duck quacks quack quack in the lake, and the lion roars with a mighty shake. The owl hoots hoot hoot in the night, and the frogs rabbit bringing delight. Bees buzz, creating a sweet melody, nature's orchestra, a symphony.